Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. I hope you're doing well wherever you're listening from.
Hi, guys. We're so happy you're here with us today. Take a deep breath, relax. This episode is going to be special.
Yes, because today we're talking about something that lives inside all of us.
Dream jobs.
Mia, when you were a little girl, what did you want to become?
Oh, I wanted to become a singer. I used to stand in front of the mirror holding a hairbrush like a microphone and imagine people clapping for me.
That's beautiful. When we are children, we dream without fear.
Yes, we don't think about salary or competition. We just think about happiness.
I wanted to be an astronaut. I looked at the sky and thought, one day I will go there.
And now look at us, sitting with microphones instead of rockets.
But something happens as we grow up.
Yes, life becomes serious. People start asking, what will you earn? Is it safe? Is there job security?
And slowly, some dreams become quiet.
Sometimes we don't lose our dreams. We just hide them.
Let's talk honestly. What is more important, passion or money?
Money is important. We need it to live. But can money buy peace of mind?
Maybe not.
Imagine waking up every morning feeling tired before you even start work.
That feeling is heavy.
But also imagine loving your job and still struggling financially. That is stressful too.
So maybe the answer is balance.
Yes, maybe you don't have to choose only one. You can start with stability and slowly build your passion.
Some listeners may be thinking, I don't even know my dream job.
That's okay. You are not alone.
Ask yourself simple questions. What makes me lose track of time? What do I enjoy learning about? What kind of problems do I like solving?
And try things. Volunteer. Take short courses. Watch interviews. Experience gives clarity.
Fear stops many people.
Yes, fear of failure, fear of judgment.
But failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of success.
Every successful person has failed. The difference is they didn't stop.
Instead of saying, I failed, say, I learned. Family pressure is real.
Parents want safety for us.
Maybe instead of arguing, we can explain our plan calmly.
Show them steps. Show them commitment.
Dreams need planning, not just emotion. Let's give clear steps. Improve one skill daily. Start small projects. Build confidence slowly. Don't compare yourself to others. Be patient.
Success takes time, but small steps, every day, create big change.
If you are listening right now and there is a dream in your heart, please don't ignore it.
Maybe today is not the right time. Maybe you have responsibilities. That's okay.
But take one small step.
Learn, practice, believe.
Because dream jobs are not found.
They are built.
And remember,
Your journey is your own.